I'm currently 11 weeks pregnant and we are about to find out our baby's gender soon. So recently I've been doing tons of research on gender reveal ideas. So in today's video, I'm gonna share all the cool ideas I found and hopefully save you some time doing all the research. All the ideas I'm sharing today are budget friendly and easy to make. Most of these you can find it on Amazon, which I'll provide a link down in the description as well. So let's get started. The first one is the cake reveal. You've seen these everywhere because they are really popular. Budget-wise, it can range from $10 and up depending on how big you want your cake and where you got it from. And if you're doing an intimate reveal, you can also buy cupcakes. I've seen people using cupcakes instead of whole cakes, which is a really cool idea as well. Another similar idea is the cupcake icing. I think this one's a pretty cool idea. Next one is for someone who want like an intimate and quick reveal. These are actually getting really popular. All you have to do is bring the envelope to any stores you want and then hand them to the cashier and let the cashier pick the item that has baby's color. Whether it's a cupcake or you can go to a donut shop or cookies, or I've seen people even go to Starbucks and order a cold brew and then just add cream on top to reveal, or buy a baby toddler clothes and let the cashier pick the right color and pack them up for it. So you can really play around with this one. Another cool idea is the confetti popper. These tend to be more popular for party reveal, but recently I've seen someone who does it intimately and I think it looks so pretty. So this one is definitely one of my favorite. Again, you can buy these confetti poppers on Amazon. There's a lot of different choices, range from $9 to $17. Similar to the confetti popper, Amazon also sell these gender reveal fire extinguisher, which is really cool as well. I think it gives out the same effect as the confetti popper. You just pick whichever works better for you. Another popular one I've seen is the baby box. So all you have to do is just let your friend and family prepare a box with all the baby product inside. This is great for intimate or party reveal. Next up is the balloon reveal. You must seen this at least once because these are really popular as well. There are just different ways of doing it. You can do a balloon pop or you can do a balloon drop, or I also seen someone doing a mystery balloon box. Again, you can find all these on Amazon and I'll provide the link below. If you think the blue idea is too outdated or you've seen it many times, you want something special, you can try out the pink idea. These are getting really popular lately. And again, there are several ways of doing so. I see people just have their hand put inside the color paint and just smudge it onto their partner. Or you can have your friend prepare an empty canvas, put your colored handprint on the canvas, but just prepare this can get pretty messy. I've also seen people using spray print, which is pretty cool as well. If you love the idea of keeping the artwork, your friends or your family just buy a artwork, or they can paint one themselves and just have it packaged up, and during the reveal all you have to do is tear the package and see what the color is inside. Also, the similar one is the sand art. I found this on Amazon and I think it's pretty cool. Next one is the flower idea. This is one of my favorite as well because I think it's super cute. But I personally think this one is better for like a smaller intimate party because it doesn't have the boom wow effect as some of the other ones. And talking about the wow effect, I have to mention the dry ice. I'll say this is definitely one of the coolest one I've seen. And I looked it up. It's actually pretty easy to make. All you have to do is grab a container of your liking, and inside you put in some dry ice. And when you're ready to do the reveal, all you have to do is pour hot water on the dry ice. That's giving the smoking effect, and the color effect comes from the color bomb. But just make sure you buy the right color bomb. I've seen the ones that you pull the ledger and then you have to keep pressing the spray button for the smoke to come out. You don't want that because you want to just pull and drop it inside. If I'm doing a big reveal party, this is definitely the one I'm going for. Next up, we have the glitter drink idea. This is another super cool one, but really easy to make. All you have to do is you wrap the edible glitter in the middle of cotton candy. Make sure you wrap it tightly so you can't see the color of the glitter from the outside. And during the reveal, all you have to do is drop the cotton candy wrapped glitter into a clear drink and stir it up, and you will get this glitter effect. And talking about unique ones, if you want to do a super unique one that you make sure nobody has seen, you can try this teddy bear reveal. Only seen one couple did this so far. So just buy a teddy bear and put a blue or pink shirt on, and you would also need a bigger jacket to cover the shirt. And I've actually seen the perfect teddy bear at Walmart for only $20. So if you want something super unique and easy, go with this one. And lastly is for those couples who love sports or especially doing a sport theme. Amazon sells these sport reveal kits. There's soccer, basketball, hockey, or golfball, and these are perfect for party reveals. And that's all the ideas I have. If you have some unique ones you like to share, leave a comment down below and also let me know which one is your favorite. I hope this video helped you find the perfect gender reveal ideas for your party. I'll see you next time. Bye!